Hi guys, welcome back with another unboxing video. In today's video we are gonna unbox the Casio G-Shock Skeleton Gold series. The first model is a GM-5600SG-9 This watch goes for a price of €290. The case of this watch has a diameter of 42.8mm and is 12.9mm thick. The second watch is a GM-110SG-9A. The case of this watch has a diameter of 48.8mm and is 16.9mm thick. The price of this watch is €239. And the last one, the GM-6900SG9 The case has a diameter of 49.7mm and is 18.6mm thick. If you are interested in buying one of these watches, I've got some great news for you, because we have still one piece of every model left in our stock. Check it out, the link is in the description. Thank you guys so much for unboxing this watch with us. Subscribe to our channel and I'll see you guys next time.